Better pump this thing up then. Go out there. Looks pretty nice. See how it goes. Right, here is my ghetto paddleboarding fishing setup. It's all pretty secure. Rod holders, little box, shouldn't fall off. Happy days. It's wonky, but hey, who cares? Time to get out there. Out there. See how it goes. Been a while. Rubbish I am at this. Right, what are we going to catch today? Let's pull off this. See all the big fish down there. Maybe I should get the feathers out. Glassy when I got in, and now it's not. Right, this is my fishing box for the SUP. That's the GoPro holder that I got sticking out the top, and these are the rod holders. Really basic, but it wasn't £90 off Amazon, as I did find a box that had modular rod holders and GoPro stands and everything like that. All cost a fortune, no need for that. So just there's like bungees on my SUP. I think you saw in the video previous to this, and the rod holders kind of work pretty well, and then just bungee strap around there to stop them falling over. I did a bit of a tip test, put everything inside, and it's obviously got straps going over that. Nothing fell out when I tipped it over. I didn't really do a dunk test, didn't flip it upside down, because why get all your kit soaked? But it works, and it was pretty much free. So yeah, there we go. The ghetto rod holder for a SUP or kayak fishing. This is my little sunset rod and Achios spiral rod.